Hello Udo users and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will see the practical process for ABA Udo integration. It is only for the domestic payments in the Australia. So let's get started. So as you download this application from the Udo App Store, this is how it looks, and when you download it, we will see the steps further. This integration is designed to streamline and automate the bank payments using standard ABA file format, and it is widely accepted in Australian banks. This also ensures very secure and compliant transactions through FTP. It makes high payment volume processing very fast, accurate, and efficient. So let's get started and see how it works. So as you download this application, first of all, we will set up the FTP server. So here we will select and set up the server. Currently we have selected and set up the server as this is the demo version. So we will add the name, URL, username, password, port, and company details over here. As you can see it over here. Once everything is selected over here, we will select the store. Here we will select the bank journal from where you want to export your data or export your payments in this case. Next is the export path. So here you will export the file path, and you will name the path over here. So I want to export my payments to this path, and I will mention that name over here. So once the details are done over here, we will save it and go to check connection, and once check connection is successfully done, it will give you the ribbon of connected. Once this is done, I'll show you the other thing, that is log details. So whenever you uh, process or export any batch payments, you will see the log details over here. If it is successful or not, you can see it directly from here. Now we will actually go to the invoicing and create the payment. Go to vendors, as it is for vendors only, so we will create the payment over here. So let's go over here and select the vendor, and we will add the payment amount. So with 200 Australian dollars, and you will add the memo over here. Here the bank journal is selected. Next is the payment method. So here is the manual payment method that we have selected, and the vendor bank account is already fetched over here. So after confirming it, we will create one more vendor payment. So let's create for lumber and 300. Here we will add the memo, and other things are selected as usual. So let's confirm it. Now after confirming the same, you can see both the payments that we have added are confirmed, and here they are pending to export from the batch. So now we will go to the vendor and go to batch payments. Here we will create a new batch payment. We will add the bank over here. Payment method is fetched automatically. Here is a reference which will be fetched over here as the payment will be exported. Here we will add some description which will be fetched in the export as well. So I will edit payment export. Yes, indicators. So there are different indicators which will be seen over here. I will select as per my requirement. Now we will add the payment from here. So there are two pending payments which I've selected, and they are added over here, and I will validate it. On validating, the batch payment will be first created, and now the next step is to export it. So as you can see, if you click on the export, the batch payment is successfully uploaded to FTP server and it is exported. So let's go and check how it is exported. As you can see, both of them are exported, and you will see a reference batch is fetched over here, and as you see, this is the file that we can open and check. Here is the details that we have added, and here are the details of the vendors as well. This is how the payments are exported in the ABO formats for Australia domestically. In case if you face any issues while you do it for your store, feel free to let us know. Our team will be there to help you out. And again, I'll show you how the logs are seen. So this is the recent payment that we just exported, and you can see the log details over here. Feel free to let us know, and you can also write back to us at support@vazatechnologies.com. Our team will be there to help you out. Thank you.